Today we're going to be talking about the braking period. Yep. This bike really opens up after that 8,000, 9,000 RPM. I haven't put it on race mode yet, so I guess we'll test it out right now. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the braking period on my brand new 2025 BMW s1000RR. I've had these gloves for like ever and I haven't worn them in a long time, and they suit this bike perfectly. Can we do a little walk around first? Let's do a walk around first. Show you guys this beauty. Nice. It's just beautiful, man. You want to know something? These winglets are probably one of my favorite things on the bike, and I know it's a love or hate thing. Some people just really hate it. I love it, and the more I look at this bike, every time I get on it, they just stand out so much, and the more I look at them, the more I love them. Alrighty. It feels so weird getting on here right now because I've been on my Harley Davidson Lowrider ST all day, and I'm taking this bike to ride. Yep, pretty awesome to have the option of two bikes. Two bikes is always a plus, man, especially when it's two bikes that are completely opposite, so different from each other. I just love the fact that this is like the sportiest bike you can get, and then my cruiser, my cruiser is also very, very sporty for what it is. For being a Harley, it's a beast of a bike. Yo, I left my heated grips on from the last time I was riding because it was like 50 degrees, and today is beautiful. Today is 75 degrees, blue skies, clear skies, you can see, and the heated grips are still on, so let's power that down. Oh, gotta tap it. Okay, there we go. Now it's off. I'm wondering, I'm like, yo, why are these grips so hot right now? It's not like the bike was outside sitting in the sun all day. Alright, so let's talk about the braking period with the BMW S1000. I picked up the bike going on almost 2 weeks now. I think it's been almost 2 weeks. During this braking period, we have 500 to 600 miles until we service the bike, which at that point unlocks everything. So basically what that means is that right now, I can't bring the bike up above 8,000 RPM, because what happens is that the bike just won't allow you to go past that limit at all. And BMW started doing this back in 2020, I believe, 2020 or 2021. I'm pretty sure a lot of people were buying these bikes and they were just going crazy with it. Should we go south? Yeah, let's go south. And then they were taking it to the dealerships and it was like, hey, look, something happened to my bike, and then all these warranty issues. So I guess on their end is more to be safer, right? Ooh. Anyways, like I was saying, I guess it's just their way to kind of be safe on things, right? So basically what happens now is that I need to put 500 or 600 miles on this bike. I'll take it to my local dealership. They'll service it. Another thing with that I'm really happy with is that when I purchased the bike, I got the first servicing free, which is awesome. So I'm saving myself another $400 or $500 right there for what a service could be. So that's a plus. So basically right now within the braking period, what you should be doing with your bike is kind of, you know, taking it through its elements, right? You should be riding the bike at different RPM ranges, braking in the bike when it comes to the brakes, getting the feel of the engine braking, just literally testing everything out, not staying at one consistent speed, right? You kind of want to test your engine. That's what you're doing. You're literally testing everything. You're testing every gear, you're testing almost every RPM that you're able to use, and you're just trying to utilize the bike to how you're gonna ride it. I always tell people, anytime I break in a bike, and I've broken in plenty of new bikes already, to say this, break it in how you're gonna ride it, right? So don't baby a bike if you're not gonna be babying it once it's all broken in, right? Break it in how you're gonna ride it, you know? Now don't OD and beast on it because it's a brand new bike and they could probably take so much amount of abuse. You don't want to also abuse a brand new bike, right? But ride it, but break it in the way you're gonna ride it. That's just me. That's how I break in my bikes. You know what? We're not gonna take 17. I'm gonna try to get out here in this small exit. Look at this. It's like all the idiots are out driving today. This bike is so nimble. so nimble. You know, I haven't even put this bike on sport mode yet. When I took it out of the dealership, it was on road mode. What was it? Let me see. Dynamic, race mode, road mode. Yeah, so when I took it out of the dealership, it was on road mode. Then I've had it on dynamic for some time. And I haven't put it on race mode yet. So I guess we'll test it out right now. Even though we're not doing anything crazy, really. Just want to get a little feeling. Definitely feel it right away, though. The throttle response, you definitely feel it right away. It kind of just wants to pick up a little quicker. It is so beautiful out today. Probably the nicest day we've had so far, the warmest day. Yeah, you definitely feel a little more, and that's not even going crazy. That's not even bringing her up to triple digits. You definitely feel the power building up a lot more. Even the exhaust tone changes. Anyways, that's gonna be it, guys. Braking period, not too much fun. Once we get everything unlocked, we're gonna be doing a follow-up video. This bike really opens up after that 8,000, 9,000 RPM. That's when the bike comes alive like crazy. So I cannot wait to experience that on here. I mentioned it before in the previous video that I did. I'm not the fastest rider. out there. So do not expect that you're going to be coming to this channel and watching my content, and you're going to be watching me do 160 on the highway. It's not happening here. So sorry to burst the bubble. If that's what you're looking for, there's a ton of other channels doing that. But we're definitely going to get up in those high RPMs, test the bike out. Anyways, like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.